Hello everyone, today on Granola Cooks, I'll show you how to make fruit parfait at home. My name is Granola, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. To make the fruit parfait, you'll be needing different kinds of fruits. These are the fruits I'll be using and I already cut them into smaller pieces to reduce the length of this video. I am using some pineapples, mangoes, bananas, strawberries, red seedless grapes. I'm also using some granola, cashew nuts, coconut flakes, and Greek yogurt. I prefer to use Greek yogurt because of its thick consistency. You don't want to use a thin or watery yogurt for this recipe. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to add all the fruits in one bowl and mix all of them together to ensure that it is well combined. Now that the fruits are well combined, it is time to layer the fruit parfait. First, I'm going to add the Greek yogurt. If it's your first time on my channel, you're welcome to Granola Cooks. If you have been watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel or it's your first time here, please take a moment to click the subscribe button and please do not forget to put on the bell notification so you can know when I post new recipes, because there are more recipes coming and you don't want to miss out. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you. Next, I am adding in the granola and I'll also be adding in the mixed fruit. You can add as much fruit as you prefer. I like to add more fruit to mine. You can choose to add just a little bit of fruit if you want. You can do it as you like. Remember, this is homemade. So I'm going to add the fruits. I'm also going to add some of the coconut flakes and the cashew nuts. I'm adding in more Greek yogurt, more granola, more of the mixed fruits. I'll add more granola, and to top it up, I'm going to add some coconut flakes and cashew nuts. That's it, our super yummy fruit parfait is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you try this recipe or any of my recipes, please do not forget to tag me on Instagram at Granola Cooks. If you haven't subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. See you soon.